You're gonna start with 2 pieces of fabric, 6 inches by 9 inches. It helps if you have 2 different colors. You're gonna take your 6-inch, 1/4 inch elastic. You're gonna sandwich it between the two. And you're gonna stitch one side. Straight stitch. As you come down here, you're going to take the opposite end and just sandwich it between the bottom two. Trim. And you're just going to repeat those steps for the opposite side. So you're going to sandwich it between the two. Straight stitch. And then once you come down here, we'll sandwich it. Okay. And you're going to take it and stitch just one side shut. Okay, at this point it's up to you, but you can choose to stitch half or 3/4 shut and flip inside out and stitch the remaining portion closed, or you can choose to flip this inside out and just rough stitch the whole remaining side closed. Which I'm gonna choose. So it's flipped inside out. And just because this is more of a decorative stitch, I'm gonna switch it to my zigzag. Just remember to back stitch because this is a finishing top stitch. Back stitched, okay. And this isn't the prettiest option, but it definitely gets the job done. So at this point, you're gonna take and make 3 tucks just along the side. So it's basically 2 folds with 3 different tucks. And I'm gonna keep it on the zigzag stitch and just stitch this from the top to the bottom. Okay. Then you're just going to repeat that last step with the opposite side. And that's it.